How to view pages side by side in Canva. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have an updated version of the Canva application on your device. So just go to the Play Store application and search for Canva. Now as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version. So I'm going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page. So here I have already selected a project to view pages for side by side in Canva. So as you can see, as I've already mentioned the project and chosen it, you can view your pages side by side just by swiping over here, and you'll be able to see all of your pages in Canva. Now if you want to just zoom in, you can zoom into your content like this. You can zoom in, zoom out, and you can do any effect over here, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.